Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and I just got an emergency call out. It is 8:30, so not too late by normal people's standards, although I have a little kid that goes to sleep at 6:30, so it seems like it's super late for me. I have a friend, a good friend, whose car window just broke. He said it went down by itself. He spent about an hour and a half fixing it, and he said it just did it again, and he's at his wit's end and doesn't know what to do. So he's across town. I'm not too big on doing like the 24-hour thing. I'll do it for, like, you know, certain emergencies. I usually don't get out much after 6 p.m. I try and just do everything kind of like a normal work day. I'll set up appointments and do them. So emergency call outs happen. This is one of them. So we'll go across town, see if we can get his window up. He lives about an hour and a half away from here. He's visiting family in town. So he's got to go back tonight, and obviously wants his window up for not just now, but in the future. So we'll see if we can get him a permanent solution. If not, at least we'll get him something temporary until he can get a new regulator or whatever might be broken. So we'll head over there, get it torn apart and figured out. So come along. Roadside rescue. Here's the little Buick here. It is Buick, right? Looks like it. Here's the window that went down. So we'll get this door panel taken off. Should be pretty quick. And then we'll see what's going on down there. If we can reattach it to its track. Again, it may need a new regulator or something, but we'll see what we can do. So let's dig in. So what all did you do to take this apart?
Just a couple of screws. A lot of pieces of plastic are broken because of just wear and tear.
Yeah.
Mostly the weather, so extreme hot, extreme cold in 𝐕𝐞𝐳𝐵𝐷𝐻. I mean, all the screws are right there. And there's the 2 by the seat belts strap.
All right, so everything's apart, just enough to get to everything, so no sense removing the whole panel if you don't need to. We can reach it all. What had been done previously was a block of wood was placed in here to keep the window up, so I think we're just gonna stick with that route. The little belt here and the regulator itself aren't even working correctly, so we're just gonna stick this wood back in, wedge it up, and then zip tie it in place, so this window will just lose its functionality. But you know, best worst case scenario right now. So we'll go ahead and zip tie this in place. It's wedged pretty good. I'm going to tap it a little bit more with the rubber mallet, and then we'll just secure it, because it was up for a while, it sounded like, and then it just fell down one day. So here we go. All right. Still rolling. All right, so here we are. Windows back up, jerry rigged into place, not gonna come back down ever. Should be good. And yeah, it's a job well done. So this is the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Consider subscribing if you like the video.